What's up, everyone? First video of 2021. Welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. Today I just want to talk to you about some of the winter projects that I have going on my channel, DriveItRyan, and on my team channel with Quinn and Matt, the slip angle. I'm going to head over there in a minute. We have a huge project this winter that'll probably pour into the springtime because it's going to be a lot of work. But before I leave, I'll just go over quick what I got going on here. So E90 M3, not much going on this winter. Kind of just chilling. I have a new power steering reservoir from Beamer World I have to install. But that's about it until the salt gets off the roads. I'm in Connecticut and these roads are nasty. You guys see, you probably saw my black Miata I picked up. This is going to be like the main project car on the channel. I know every YouTuber in the world has a Miata, but there's a reason for it. You know, parts are cheap, easy to work on. I mean, you could do anything to these cars. This car is going to end up getting a K-swap, I believe. So, if you're into that kind of thing, please subscribe and I'll take you along that journey. Golf cart, nothing's going on with that. It's a little obnoxious, but I like it. Red Rocket, my first one. I need to get the rocker panels addressed. A little bit of rust repair to do. If you want to buy the car as is, I'll sell it cheaper. I said this in another video, it's a 147R package. I don't need it anymore because this is going to be my new project car. WRX is back in business. I'll be driving it a little bit. Not sure what I have planned for this thing. It might also be for sale. I'm trying to save my money and get myself a nice house and garage. So pretty much everything is going up for sale. All right. I am going to gather some stuff up and head over to Slip Angle Media headquarters. I'll show you the new project car and maybe I'll do a little tour. Matthew has a lot of stuff going on with his turbo Miata. It's going to be sick and jelly. But all right, come along for the ride. I'll see you there. It's one of my favorite roads around here. Can't tell you which one it is, but it's a fun one. On my way to the shop, got all my camera gear here. So 2021, I really want to take DriveItRyan to the next level. 2020, I finally hit 1,000 subs, so that took a while to get to, but thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. I got downshift. I appreciate your support. There's probably a cop up here somewhere. But yeah, I appreciate your support, and let's see how far we could go this year. I'm gonna try and upload way more consistently. I don't want to turn this into a vlog channel. I still want to do reviews, installs. I'm a big detailer, so if you like seeing detailing videos and tips and tricks and want to know my methods of how I do paint corrections and all that kind of stuff, I'll do more of those. But let me know in the comments what you want to see, and I'll do my best to accommodate that. So I'm almost at the shop. See what Matthew's up to. And I'll show you the new project. If you already follow us on the Slip Angle, you already know what's going on. We're here. Ready to work. Matthew! We'll get over there in a second. I did a little garage tour, I think last year. But it's been lots of two-wheel additions lately. Looks like a freaking bike shop over here, Quinn. NB still there, RX-7 still there, RX-8. Did a paint correction on it. Still looks pretty good. Another bicicleta. BMW gang. S2K. Now let's talk about the projects we got going on. One's over there, but we'll end with that. Matthew's always doing stuff to his car.
Well, hopefully I can just get this thing sorted and then just drive it.
Yeah.
This year, that's what I'm hoping for.
Well, come springtime, it'll be good.
Yep.
So today, Matthew has a little a big front mount intercooler going in.
I don't think it's that big. It's bigger than the...
Bigger than this one?
Yeah. I mean, it's a good intercooler, but this one's getting donated to our other project, so we just...
Oh, yes. Yeah. That's a project if I've ever seen one. So, this is Matthew's winter upgrade. I don't know, how much did you give away already?
Like how much? Like what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we gave away everything pretty much.
All right.
I mean, it's a manifold and downpipe.
This is a sexual turbo setup by the Defensive Octopus.
TDOperformance.com.
Yep.
Derek is awesome. He's such a good fabricator.
Really is.
Yeah.
Good dude, too.
Yeah.
Real good dude. If you're in Connecticut or anywhere near here and you need fab work, that's the guy.
Yeah. He's done cool projects. Rear mount turbo on a 350Z.
Yep.
He did. He said, that guy said we could actually drive his car.
The Turbo 350Z
Yeah.
guy? Oh, sick. Well, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Let's see. What should we say about this car? I mean, I think this car deserves its own review and full walk around, but that could be a whole nother video because Matthew has done a lot to this car. And it's real clean.
Yeah, I got lucky with this find. I did not need a second car.
Matt bent an old lady over.
I had to do it when I found it.
Yeah.
It's just so clean.
Oh, geez, I'm kicking bullet shells all over. So, that's that. We'll do another video on that. Here's the big project. Do you guys know what this is?
In case you guys don't know, this is probably the most exciting and also dangerous car I've ever driven before. My life is in your hands, buddy. We're gonna go drive this on the street. Very probably, maybe die.
Exoset build. It's gonna be a monster. Today, I'm gonna power wash it, get it all cleaned up. Last time we stripped it down to the bare frame. It's kind of a lot of work. Still got a lot ahead of us. Yeah, so this car had a little boo-boo. Little they say it was, what, 10 mile an hour boo-boo?
Yeah, but I mean, 10 miles an hour can do a lot.
Yeah. And to a solid object, I mean, it doesn't feel good.
Yeah, it broke the rear section of the diff off, like the ears that hold the differential. It just broke them apart.
Yeah, it was just clean sheared.
Yep, but that's by design though. I mean, Mazda designed it to do that.
Yeah. People
so
like
if it took the brunt of the force, then that's okay.
Yeah. So that's the idea for today. We're gonna clean it up and then it'll be ready to go to our frame guy to see if it's repairable. Which
Yeah.
hopefully it is. I think it will be.
Yeah, Quinn's brother has a guy who does frames. Quinn's brother's friend is a guy who does frame straight.
Quinn, he knows a guy who knows a
Yeah,
guy
yeah,
who knows a guy.
So.
So yeah, this is the big one. Follow along on the slip angle. You see?
It's gonna be a lot of work.
Yeah. Buy a hoodie to support us so that we could fund this thing. Matthew's a human gimbal. Real steady. What do you guys think?
I think it fits the car really well. I think
Yeah.
it's good size. I'm not making like huge power or anything like that. I don't need much more than that.
Nice and centered though. Love it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Where are you, Matthew?
Oh, I'm over here.
There you are. Don't forget to follow Matthew MX5
Yeah, you don't have to follow me.
on IG and OnlyFans. No. So subscribe to the Slip Angle and Drive It Ryan. Matthew and I are gonna go get some food. It's dinner time
I'm hungry.
before we get to work on Exoset, but we got one project done.
We should do like a wet T-shirt, like music video. What do you think of that?
For when we wash this thing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like 20 degrees out, but we could make it for some hard nips, some good content. All right, that's it. Thanks for tuning in to this quick little vlog update, first video of 2021. Let me know what projects you got going on this winter, and I'll see you in the next one.